I'm so happy that all of you are here. Hi, I'm Lottie Ann Silvis, and thank you for coming by and stopping by at my YouTube channel. I hope that you guys find my videos very inspiring and encouraging you that you can do anything online too, because I do have marketing tools that are great for business people all over the world. So if you're interested, you can click on my links. My links for the business tools that you need is so valuable in your business. So I want you guys to click on the link. If you are a author, a writer, I have a software that you can have that will create professional looking ebooks all in one place. It's an AI that you can use. You don't have to develop the content yourself. The AI will do it for you. Imparly 2.0 is going to do it for you. There's also Scribble 1.0 that's also have a lot of valuable content in there that you can use. You just look it up, tell it what you want to say about your ebook, and it will actually do all the work for you. All you got to do is paste it into your ebook. You can put and insert your links that you are promoting in your ebook. You can create wonderful audio ebooks called Talkable in Scribble 1.0. I do have the program for you that you can get started right away. There's an instant let's see, there is e-coverly ebooks that you can make. You can create flip books. You can create automated ebooks too as well. If you upgrade, you're going to get into all the packages that is offered for you. This is wonderful to have. It's accessible, easy to use, and I just want to share that to you if you're new to my channel. Now, my channel has multiple things I do. I do have a craft things that I make for my customers. I'm a craft crochet vendor, and also I do a lot of things. I have an Etsy shop too, and I have 3 channels that are monetized. If you want to learn how to monetize your channel and start a YouTube channel, you can. In my Etsy shop, Jesus Dainty Crafts, you can find the journal planner, how to start your YouTube channel. This is a great guide that you should get. It's really great to have, especially if you're going to create multiple YouTube channels. So it's a very affordable. It's only $5 at my Etsy shop. You can download it, and it's going to give you an outline how to really start your channel. And it's really good to have if you write down your vision, your goal, what you are accomplishing to having a YouTube channel. All right, so I'm enjoying my day today because I actually invested in a monitor so I can multitask, and it's been really I get really good vibes because I can do many things all at once. I can create a video on this monitor. I can create an ebook on the other one, and I can post on Facebook. I mean, my monitor can divide in 4 different sites that I can work on, and it is wonderful. And I got this main desktop that I use most of the time. And it's been really great this morning. And I just purchased this extra monitor. It was very affordable. It's not very expensive. And I recommend it to all business partners, business people all over the world. All right, guys, have a great day. Watch my videos. Stay encouraged, stay focused, and you will get to where you want to be if you are persistent. All right. Stay focused. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon and watch the next video.